Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back to English class with me, Miss Effie. Today, we are going to talk about the farm animals that have eggs. Listen and watch my explanation.
Friends, let's mention the farm animals that have eggs. Chicken, duck, turkey, goose, friends, it's time for you to answer my questions. What farm animal is this? Chicken or duck? Yes, it's a duck. What farm animal is this? Is it a duck or goose? Yes, correct. It's a goose. Last question. What farm animal is this? Is it a chicken or goose? Yes, it is a chicken.
That's all the lesson for today about farm animals that have eggs. We will see you again on the next topic. Okay, bye-bye friends.